Hi, my name is Jeff Word and I'm from ASUG University. I want to tell you really quick today about a workshop we've got coming to many cities in North America in 2018. It's called ERP 101 and it's a 3-day hands-on workshop specifically for end users to help them get outside of their silos and what they do on a daily basis and really understand the power and the integration of SAP across multiple functions and processes. And so in this workshop, we're going to spend all day for 3 days hands-on in the system, looking at everything and really peeling back the system so that people can see how everything ties together and get that holistic perspective on how SAP works. And the end result of this is, if you come to this or send one of your employees to it, they're going to come back to the office and really understand all the powerful capabilities and the powerful interactions that SAP has across processes. And this is really the thing that we can think to do to build that foundational baseline knowledge that's going to help every SAP user be much more effective, much more efficient, and even maybe a little bit happier when they get done. So check us out. Hopefully we'll come to a city near you. If not, let us know and we'll send people to the city near you to make sure that everybody gets this really important information. Thanks.